Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the camera flickering issue in Blender. So there you can see I have a random scene set up in my Blender, and you can see that the objects are flickering in the camera. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. There you can see. If you're facing the problem, it's very easy to fix it. First of all, you have to set this number in your viewport. Just set it on 1. This is basically for the viewport. But if you're still having the issue in your renders, you have to select camera and go to camera properties, and there you're gonna see the clip start option. Just set it on 1, or you can set it on a higher number. It depends on your scene. It depends how big is your scene. So now you can see the flickering is fixed. If you're still facing the issue, you can increase the number. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.